epic fail.
Happy.
It doesn't want to twist. Okay, ready?
Ready, say, scream Happy Easter. 1, 2, 3. Happy Easter! Woo! Do the other one. Read, do the other one. Oh my gosh, it's all on our neighbor's yard. Oh my God.
David's TV.
Please subscribe.
Okay guys, get this video to 2,000 likes and we'll give away a free David's TV t-shirt. Just leave a comment and you can win a t-shirt.
Oh my God, the Easter Bunny came. No way. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Jagger is gonna freak out.
This is the moment the boys have been waiting for. Easter 2017. There they are on top of the stairs, waiting to come down. Look at this. It says this way, and there's some Easter eggs, and here's our bunnies, leading to the path of all the goodies. Yeah, Easter egg hunt this way. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Ready?
They left the footprints like always.
There the footprints. Easter egg hunt this way. What did you get? Wait, did the animatronics just knock you down, Jagger? Oh my God, okay, don't touch anything yet, Dylan. Hold on, Dylan. Oh my God, okay, Jagger got this and we'll go through it. Look at that. And then Dylan got some stuff. Flip-a-zoo flippies. Okay. Dylan, hold on. Dylan, hold on. Let's show everybody what you got. Ready?
Oh, I got 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and I got another 25 behind this one.
Oh my gosh, the Easter Bunny knows that you've been really good this year. Okay, so Dylan, he got some chocolate, a cross chocolate, and he got the pocket racer right here. Batman card, a kite, Jenga gold, it's a kite, kinetic rock, the mega boxing gloves, bunch of balloons, which are so much fun, some Candylicious bubbles that he wanted. It's a baby Flip-a-zoo. And look at Dylan got a baby Flip-a-zoo too. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then Dylan got Flip-a-zoo, collectibles. Oh, and then look at this. We got 5 games. Psychonauts, Zombie, Dark Cloud 2, and Grim Fandango, all for PS4.
Those games are more for Jago.
Yeah, and what do you think?
Good. And wait, look at my Hot Wheels car.
Hot Wheels card. And then look at this. This is the Durango guns with the little roll caps, you know, the ones that go bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
Look at that triple side water slide.
Awesome.
Huge balloon, and then Jagger.
What is this?
That is Spider Pete's Treasure. It's a game. Then you got lots of chocolate with the cross and this kite.
I got
Mega box. Whoa! What is that, Jagger?
American Gold Doll.
Yes, the boy. What's the boy's name?
What am I gonna name it? Something else?
What are you gonna name him?
Buddy.
Buddy?
Yeah.
So our elf is gonna be Buddy and your American Girl doll?
And look behind you up there.
What is it? It's an Easter balloon.
Yeah, it's behind the couch.
Look at that, Dylan. Are you excited?
Yeah, I know. I'm freezing cold from this.
He's freezing cold. Okay, I've got to get you a blanket. And then, look at that. How many animatronics did you get, Jagger?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, which ones did you get? Do you know?
This one.
This is Matilda the Crone. This is the Rising Swamp Hag, the Lunging Zombie, and you know what this one is. What is this one called?
You tell it.
The Lunging Demon Dog. Ow! It gets the demon dog, it lunges out to attack you. And he got this giant rocket. Well,
Mommy, do you know what you want?
he got LOLs from the Easter Bunny. Look at this. LOL. Jagger loves this.
I already got a golden one and I turned into a golden one.
That is awesome. Guys, look at this. Look at me. What do you think about Easter?
Good. Happy Easter. If you don't celebrate Easter, I hope you're having a good weekend. Hey, I don't know muscles like you. Well, then try doing it. Okay. Yeah! I did it! Wow! And that's how you play with
Flip-a-zoos.
Dun, dun.
It's not one, not two.
It's Maggie and Steve.
Who knows this song? It's one, not two.
Wait,
It's
guys, look at this.
flip-a-zoo.
Look at this. There's just one thing apart from him that's not golden. Dun,
What is it?
dun, dun.
The one underneath.
That's why you pull from the back right here. Like you do this. There you go. It's easier than normal. Hey! Damn it! Somebody just look at this.
Oh, they're twins. Just like Alana and Chantal.
Wait, Mama, look at this. Dun, dun, dun.
That looks like you blow it up and then
So if you live near to our house and you see that coming, make sure you get away.
the Easter Bunny left Dylan and Jagger. Kinetic Rock, the rock crusher.
Let's open it up.
Seriously, this is the first thing they're opening up besides their Flip-a-zoos. They're going nuts for this. Look at them. They're like wild beasts opening this up.
The car says the set.
Are you guys gonna start to howl?
Can somebody help me? I need help. He has to walk.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so when you open it up, it has the play set right here.
Let's open it up. I'm gonna put the bunny glasses away. The bunny glasses? We built this. Hey! Really?
Who wants to put their bunny glasses on?
This is really hard rock. Tell me how he was the guy. And I made all of this.
They did not want to put these glasses on. How fun are these?
This? Don't hurt me. Does anybody want to see something?
Yes.
What? This? See this? You don't know what it is? The just stuff. Sand. You got sand, then you put it in. Then you put it on here, and then watch. Wait, I didn't put sand in it. Watch.
Does it come out?
Yeah.
Oh, it does. Look at that.
See this guy did the dress hammer, and this helps to flatten the sand. And you have to do it like this so it flattens. See?
Does it really flatten it out?
Yeah.
Nice,
Mom, can we
Jagger.
open up my animatronics?
Jagger's so excited. It was his second. He has already one of the American Girl dolls, but he got that boy, Logan Everett. But he is calling him
Buddy.
Buddy. So his name is going to be Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Hold on. I'll Jagger open this up.
Dylan, you're getting attacked. Press left and right to move clip.
So cute. Look at this, what he looks like. Jagger, are you so excited? Meet Buddy. He is brand new to our family.
Mama, take his shoes off.
Okay, oh my gosh, look at Jagger before we take his clothes off. Who wants to take his clothes off? Look at his hair. Do you like his hair?
Yeah. But
Look at the back
Mama,
of his hair right there. He has like
Pepper
thick
pad.
hair. Look at that.
Survival kit.
Nice. I bet you could style his hair.
Pepper pads.
can you take his shoes off?
Yeah, let's see. Can we take his shoes off? And they're off. And he has little toes. And, oh my god, how cute. Look at these little shoes. They say American Girl on it.
I'm a little baby doll. I'm a little baby doll.
Jagger! Jagger! like push it on the floor, did you? No?
He's jump scaring you. Yeah.
Jump scare.
No.
It has to be more like.
Like this. I'm a little baby. He said, I'm a little baby. Now he's crying. I'm a little baby. Let's put it back in the box so we can save it for later.
That's a great idea. Okay, so we have Spider Peach Treasure. It says, can you hook the rings before he jumps? Do you think you can? Oh, there's his hook right there. A hook. Do you like it? Do you like this game?
Watch. The spider's gonna say it. I like this game. I can make it jump it even higher. I'm a little spider. What to do? Treasure I can eat. That's not even higher.
Go.
Now I'll put it on my couch.
Shout out to everybody, whether you celebrate Easter or not. Join us on Instagram at DavidsTV1 and ask for your shout out. Don't forget the 1.